Head to the watchtower. The alluvial plains phase nodes are there. Be prepared to fight. The Varghul have claimed it since you wiped out the previous defenders.
Is it? Do we only have a small thing? Hard out there once you realise, especially greens. It'd be cool if you could like select all the things, you know, select multiple, yeah. I just went to a whole bunch. Okay. Okay, let's do it. Oh. Set it up. Where is he? Upstairs. What is this? We summon the... Oh, it does. Uh-oh. Yep. Oh, bloody. I blocked your ass.
What a strange device.
Macros used to place those things on the battlefield to motivate our warriors.
The phase node is active. Let's head into the alluvial plains.
Oh, purple. Another weapon. What the fuck? Dropping like flies, what is it? Ooh, tools. Oh, and I got a new hammer, nice. The blue one. Ah, shit, I'm gonna try this. So where are we going? The node.
Tell me about this place.
The alluvial plains are dotted with ruins dating back to the unification. The Valorians kept several libraries here. Some Varghul leaders are coordinating the warbands.
Point them out.
Alluvial plains. Nivach. Oh, there's a glowy up there. Thing over there. some transparent thing. Oh, that's a jumpy Downy. There's a yellow glow up there. Just go down here. Oh, dude. Loot. So that way. Yeah. Will that go back? Oh, yeah. Is there something up here? Yeah, chest. Oh, this is where the blue chest is. Something glowing over here. Oh, just a shard. The shard! Get the shard! Go back to the small purple cliffs. Watch this another part. I'm coming. Oh. That on. That must be you, bro. Did you push your Archon by any chance? There's laser beams. I just assumed it was you. Heaps of climbing uppy things here, eh? Different levels. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Yep. Dong.
A
Oh,
powerful
chest.
creature has emerged.
The ghost of this place. Restless.
It draws power from the spirit realm.
It will fall like the rest.
Sweet. Might check out my shit. Oh, I've got a skill too. Siphon. Yeah, let's get some crits. Oh, why did I do that? It's not the button I was pushing. Oh, that's saved. Saved. What is it? Polarity. Oh, where are we going? This way. That's the boss. Did you want to go other areas first? Or no? Let's defeat it. Why can't I? I must have already got that one. Oh, yes. I can't get it. Why can't I get it? I've never been up here before. So, but no glory bits up here. Yeah, there's another rock down here. I can't get them. Maybe I'm maxed. Where? Come on. Nice. Okay, see, I can pick that up. Codex. Yeah. Super. Nice. Yep. Word.
The treasure
Cool.
is in that squat building. I wonder what we'll find.
Weapon, rosary. What else? Give us. Where's the secret chests? What is this that is behind here? What is that codex? How do you get that? Where? Wait. Oh wow. Been right here before. Where's the codexes?
He never missed a chance to revel in his glory.
We might be able to learn something about Macros. I'll store these in my archive. We're done here. Let's head to the Twilight Beacon.
Get behind. Here, here's the codex. Did you get this one? And a chest. Oh. Bro, why can't I pick this one up? Down here. Go down and then double back. Over here. I've never been in here before. There's chests here. Oh, bro. Spirit world. I had to go into the spirit view to pick that one up. Yeah. You know what? I'll just go here. Gonna see if that's what will let me pick up this Jasper over here. Now shit, now I can pick up the Jasper. You know the left D-pad. It goes the left D-pad. If you click left on the D-pad, it goes black, and then any chests and collectibles shine. Yeah. No, you turn it on and off. That's how I've been finding where all those shards and the chests are. So yellow are those shards and chests and codexes. If you see dark, like a red, more of a red one, that's like a special chest, or like a, you know, those chests that are purple or have like bosses involved in it. Oh yeah. Now, if you go into that spirit view and look like up, like if I'm looking back towards the gate, just look towards the gate. Can you see the glowing green things? Oh, like I don't know what the fuck those are. Oh, up there at the top of the tower where I'm looking. There's like a floating area. Like there's, I don't know how to get those. There must be like a ranged. Did you use the shield? I just realized. I keep forgetting you can throw the shield. Okay, where is this one then? I don't know. I just got 10 Sunsteel from it. So Yeah, I know there's one for multiples too. Nope, didn't get it. I wonder if that's hittable. Wait. Yeah. Wait. Okay. What are we doing? Head to Twilight Beacon. Oh, so the quest isn't even finished yet. Activate the beacon.
Sanctum, how complete are your archives?
Not very. Once Macros locked me away, I stopped getting new records altogether.
Oh, look. Let's kill this. Okay, so just activate a beacon. Just does those three things. Oh, they just like you pick it up and you get like oh, I killed myself. I wasn't even paying attention. Oh, this is also kind of good. Okay, to do. Wow, he disappeared. Ah, shopper. Get back to the sanctum. Banner Vampiric Pennant. Nice, where are you? Restore 11 health whenever you hit an enemy. Nice. 8% soul build up. I'm going to change some of these. Oh, amulet. Let's actually really that one. Yeah, got some rings that increase the banner thing. %5 banner charge speed. Okay, so it must be like an activated ability. At 10% over health gained from banners. Yeah, put that on, see what that does. Charms. We haven't got a charm yet, it's probably the next one. Oh, that's a purple, the rosary. A long sword. 12% northern technique charge whenever you hit an enemy with your southern technique. Soul shatter timing. Oh, that might work. Okay, I'm just salvaging all the greens. And the greys. And the blues, and what can I use? Sunsteel. Really, not too bad. Oh, a whole bunch. Lifestyles. Soul Shadow Builder. I think that's the one I'll put on the sky. Resources. Jasper. Oh, what are merits? Bronze. Farkle. Just killing ones. Hold up. I just noticed like I need to play around with the skills a bit more. Instead of trying to pick up the whole board, I've started to go in and get like level 2s of some of the other skills. Because I don't know if it'd be interesting to see how many skill points you get at the end if you have enough to do, say, like the whole board, and then how many more points left to upgrade some skills, or if, like, you know, you're meant to, you know, be more of a shield user or a weapon damage or crit, or the dodging finesse type, you know. Yeah. So like this Greyhawk guy has bonuses to that Soul Shatter stuff. So I'm trying to put, you know, things with plus Soul Shatter damage and build up, and it's working out pretty good. Interesting to see what this augment stuff starts looking like. Hey, I'll stop there. Be interesting to see how that came across.